Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log in into your Jupix account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As already I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Jupix login and search it on Google itself, and on the first page you will find the Jupix P3 login page. Click over there and you can see to sign into Jupix, just type in your company username, your personal username and password over here, and click on sign into your Jupix account. And if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the forgot your password option available over here to retrieve or reset your password. And there guys, signing into your Jupix account is this easy. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.